Cockatiels are charming and intelligent birds, making them popular pets for bird enthusiasts. To ensure your cockatiel remains healthy and happy, proper care is essential. 1. Housing. Provide your cockatiel with a spacious cage, at least 24 by 24 inches, allowing ample room to stretch its wings and play. The cage should have horizontal bars for climbing, and a variety of perches of different textures to support foot health. Place the cage in a well-lit area, away from drafts and direct sunlight, ensuring a calm environment. 2. Nutrition. A balanced diet is vital for your cockatiel's health. Offer a high-quality pellet mix as the primary food source, supplemented with fresh fruits, vegetables, and occasional seeds. Avoid foods like avocado, chocolate, and caffeine, as these are toxic to birds. Fresh water should always be available and replaced daily. 3. Mental stimulation. Cockatiels are highly social and intelligent. Provide toys like swings, bells, and chewable items to keep them entertained. Rotate toys regularly to maintain their interest. Spend time interacting with your bird daily to strengthen your bond and prevent boredom. 4. Hygiene. Clean the cage weekly, including perches, toys, and food dishes. Cockatiels enjoy bathing. Offer a shallow dish of water or mist them gently to encourage grooming. 5. Health monitoring. Observe your cockatiel for signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, droppings, or behavior. Regular checkups with an avian veterinarian are recommended to ensure optimal health. With proper care, cockatiels can live 15 to 20 years, bringing joy and companionship to your life. By meeting their physical and emotional needs, you'll create a loving environment for your feathered friend.